Hello everyone, and welcome back. Welcome to part 5 and the final episode of the baby's crib. In the last episode I just finished getting that complicated back piece done and put on there, and now all we have left here is sanding and putting on the clear coats of poly. I already have the front side of this front piece of the crib already sanded down and ready. We did that in the last episode, and now I just have to go through because I've done some touch-up with some filler a couple days ago, and I want to get this sanded down on this side, and then we're going to finally start putting on the finish. For a finish on the crib, I'm using a oil-based polyurethane. I talk about this in a bunch of the videos when I'm doing this, but I want to use an oil base because it's going to give it a yellowing, older look. If you use a water base, it'll dry faster, but it'll stay crystal clear, and I want it to yellow it somewhat. I'm using a satin on this. I don't see any reason for a crib to be super shiny. Super shiny looks really nice with this type of cedar, but for a crib, I think just bringing the color out and not being overly shiny is the best way to go. Since this first coat ends up being like a sanding sealer, I'm just using a cheaper brush. I do have a more expensive brush for some of the later coats. Look at that color. One piece done with the first coat. One more piece to go. Well, that's it for today. It's about 8:30 at night. I have no idea what I'm even making for dinner tonight yet. But I made my goal of having the polyurethane on all 4 pieces, so I'm pretty happy about that. I have work tomorrow, and then right from work I'm heading up to the farmhouse. I'll see you guys back out here on Sunday. Well, it's Sunday. I just got back from the farmhouse, and I want to get another coat on this crib. I'm sanding between coats, this time anyway, with 220. And then right after lunch I'll come out and we'll get the second coat put on. I have the 2 sides all done now. And now I'm about to put the second coat on the front piece. Well, this is the last side to do, and then everything has 2 coats. I have to open up another can of poly here. I think what I'm going to do is I'll let all this dry, and then I'm going to put 1 more coat on, and then we're going to call it done. Second coat is all done now. I'll probably come out here in about an hour and I'll start working on those 2 sides again and get the last coat done. I put varnish on the bottom of all the legs, or I'm doing that now, and you wouldn't really need to, but it does help protect it. But since this is aromatic cedar, I wanted all of the cedar sealed so it doesn't smell like it. And then of course I'm putting these little, whatever these are called, to help protect it. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. The crib project is complete. I will probably do a follow-up video when it's in their house and they've got the blankets on it and stuff like that, just showing that it's over there. But for right now, this thing is ready to be used. I will see you guys on the next video.